is here.
Yeah.
So you have a balloon, then after that
Balloon.
it will increase in size after t
Diameter.
seconds.
Has grown to 2t.
Yep, so it's, the radius has grown to 2 tcm after t seconds. So start from something, then it will be 2t when it reach t seconds. Okay, so they ask what is the rate of change of the volume. Okay, so the meaning of this rate of change of the volume means
Is it like 2t divided by t?
dv over dt. Why? Okay, let me break down what's the meaning of this. dv means difference in volume. So dt means difference in time. Okay, so how do you get the difference in volume? So the difference in volume is you start from a v1, right?
Yeah.
Then you will reach a v2,
Yeah.
and then v2 minus v1 will give you the difference in v.
Yeah.
Right? Does it make sense? So the difference in time is when your time is at t1, your volume is v1.
Yeah.
Then at t2, your volume is v2. Okay? So the difference t2 minus t1 will give you the dt. Okay? So that's the meaning when you write dv over dt. So that's the reason why I say the rate of change of volume. So change of volume means v1 dv. Rate means dt. Okay?
It's 9:45.
So yes, so you are asked to find dv over dt.
Yeah.
Okay? So this is in English. So how do you translate the English into mathematics representation? So dv over dt. So question part 1 is dv over dt. Okay?
That's the answer. Oh no, that's
Yep.
not the answer. Because like you can see the answer. It says
Yep. So dv over dt is equal to what?
So dv difference in volume. That one,
So what do you have in the question?
it says grown to 2t after blown for t seconds.
Yep. So what do you have in the question?
Oh, so does it say like?
I think you have the change in time.
Yeah, like it's.
Do you have the change in volume? I think so.
Because it's from zero volume to that, isn't it? So there's the difference is the value they gave.
Yeah. So okay, that's one way to look at it. Another way to look at it is this. First, what's the volume for sphere? Is 4/3 pi r cubed.
Yeah.
Right? So therefore from this one you can have your dv over dr already, because you just differentiate it, right? So you bring down the 3 to the front,
Wait.
the
you differentiate
power minus 1.
How you differentiate it?
I'm going to show you later. So dv over dr is this, right? Right?
Oh, okay.
Okay? Okay?
Yep.
Okay, good. So now you need to find dv over dt, right? So now the question you ask yourself is this: dv over dt is, and then you have your dv over dr already now, right? Right?
Yeah.
Then you need something. So basically you dv over dt is equal to d, because your question wants dv over dt equals to something, right?
Yeah.
So now your dv over dt is equal to, you already have this. So what is the other term you need to have in order to get dv over dt? Is if you get the dr over dt. Why? So if you, because this is what you want, this is what you have, if you can have dr over dt,
you
then
cancel
you,
the
you can
dr.
you can cancel dr, right?
Yeah.
You end up with dv over dt, right? Yes. So you need to have a dr over dt. So what is your dr over dt? That means what's the rate of change of your radius? This is your rate of change of your radius. Can you tell?
Yeah.
So this is the time change, and this is the radius change, right? Right? So therefore, this is the rate of change of radius. Do you have that? After t seconds, its radius has grown to t. So what's the rate of change of your radius in this case?
2t over t.
Yeah, which is 2. So therefore, done. dv over dt is equal to dv dr, which is this, 4 pi r square times the 2. Right? And then, what's the radius?
Radians was.
What's the radius?
2t, is it?
It's in terms of t anyway. Or it's in terms of r. Right? So it's 2 times 4 is 8 pi r square. Okay? Did we make a mistake?
Yeah. Because that's not the answer.
Let me see. The answer is 32.
Is it dv over dr? Is it supposed to be dr over d?
No. So I cancel. So it's 4. No. Good. No, it's okay.